Hello, today we're going to be restoring a Disston handsaw. This is a D-23 that I believe to be manufactured in the late 40s to early 50s. I picked this up at an antique mall this weekend and I paid $15 for it. I'll get some close-ups to it. It's a D-23, you can kind of make out the writing on the saw. We'll see as we restore it, sanding it down, if we can try to retain that. But priority one is to get it so it's usable, but we'll see if we can make out that symbol better. But the medallion that's on it, and I'll get a closer up of the medallion, is really how I was able to date it. And so that design was done late 40s, early 50s. And so that's through the dating process. And so we're going to restore it. I'll take you through the different steps and we'll get this thing looking as good as new. Alright, I'm going to start sharpening this blades, and the first thing we do is try to just do one pass to flatten all these tooths, make them the same level. Let's start up here actually. And what I'm looking for is a shiny, flat top on each one. I think I need to do another pass. I'm just alternating the angles of the teeth. Alrighty, well let's put this thing back together. Got the blades all sharpened. Well, it doesn't look brand new, but it looks a whole of a heck better. And it should cut just fine. It's kind of neat to think that this saw, whoever bought it, most likely, was made right after World War II. Probably fought in World War II. And there she is. Alright, there's only one thing left to do, and that's to test it out. All I could find is this old piece of 2x4. Let's get it started a little bit. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Go out there and buy some cheap antique tools and give them a little love.